Hello students, today in this video we are going to cover a short writing task, that is notice writing. So first of all we will get to know about the purpose of notice writing. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards, whether in schools or in public places. Notices issued by the government appear in newspapers. A notice is a formal means of communication. So let's get to know what is a notice. A notice is a written or printed announcement. For example, a notice for sale. It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or is about to happen. It could be an upcoming event, competition, lost and found notice, or just a piece of information to be delivered to the targeted audience. It is generally written in a formal tone. Notices are factual and to the point. The language used is simple and formal, not flowery. They are put up on display boards in schools or at public places. Features of a notice. A notice is written within a box. Always it should be written within a box. Name of the school issuing authority is written on the top. Then the word notice should be mentioned, and it should be mentioned using capitals. Precise title should be clearly given, indicating what the notice is about. It means the title should tell the purpose of the notice. Keep the notice simple and concise, and the tone must be impartial and formal. It must contain all relevant information and details. Name and designation to be mentioned in the lower left bottom corner. Now, let's be familiar with the format of a notice. This is the format of notice writing. As we all know that it should be written within a box. So you can see in the slide that box is here. First of all, the name of the school or organization. Then the word notice. And after that, give the date. Mention the date. And after date, we will give heading or the title. Then content or body of the notice, and after writing content, then the writer's signature, then his or her name in capitals, and if required, or if the designation is mentioned in question, then the designation should be mentioned at the last. So this is a format of notice writing. The content includes 5 W's. So what we have to write in the form of content? It comprises of 5 W's, and these are as follow: who can apply or is eligible for it. Second, what is going to happen. Third, where will it take place. Fourth one, when will it take place, it means date and time. Then whom to contact or apply to. Now while we are writing notice, so some facts or some things we should keep in our mind. First one, first person and second person, it means I and you both should be avoided. Use the third person. Always we should use third person while we are writing notice. Write in formal language with short sentences and grammatical accuracy. It means language should be simple and it should be formal. Sentences should be short and they should be grammatically correct. And don't forget, we should not exceed word limit, or we can say notices should be written in 50 words, almost 50 words. Then all other relevant details given in the question must be added. If in question some details are given, so the very details should be added in the notice. Now, marking scheme format, it will carry 1 mark, and it includes box, the name of the school or institution, the heading, footnote, and the date. It will carry 1 mark. Then expression, it will also carry 1 mark. And then content and language, it will also carry 3 mark. So in totality it will be of 3 marks. Value points for each type of notice. So let's take first type of notice writing, that is notice regarding meeting and event. First one, target group, name of the event, date, time, venue, agenda or purpose, specific instructions if any, contact person. So here is a sample regarding the notice regarding meeting or event. So you can go through this sample so that it will be clear to you. Second type, regarding tour, camp, fair and exhibition. Target group, event, occasion if any, date, time, duration, venue, place of visit, objective, information, appeal, awareness, invitation. Then fee, expenses, activities, then specific instructions, do's and don'ts, things to carry, visiting hours, etc. All these should be mentioned in the notices regarding tour, camp, fair and exhibition. So here is example regarding the same, and I hope that you all will go through it in order to comprehend the concept. Now third type of notices regarding lost and found. Article lost, found, date, time and place, identification mark, then contents, whom to contact, when to contact, and where to contact. All these information should be provided in the notice regarding lost and found. And you can also mention promise of a reward in the notices regarding lost and found. Then again, here is another simple regarding the notices lost and found, and it is related to lost. And so just go through it and try to comprehend the concept. Now, home assignment. I hope that this video will help you to comprehend and get mastery over the short, short writing task, notice writing. So here are two questions for notice writing, and just try your best to write down these two notices in your fair notebook. So thank you. Have a nice day, everyone.